Hey guys, guess who I see this morning? Oh my goodness, Mr. Duck. Aw, Mr. Duck. So anyway, good morning. 3:10. Good morning, Facebook. Good morning, everybody. So, question. This is February 2nd, 2022. Ooh, the significance of those twos. Woo. Mm-mm-mm. But question, are you still doing your New Year's resolution? Are you still on your weight loss journey? I hope your answer is yes. Now, let me take my glasses off so I can see y'all. Come on. Don't laugh at me. Some of y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so uh, if you're feeling discouraged, if you're feeling like giving up, that's what discouraged is. But if you're feeling like throwing in a towel and saying, you know what, this is just too much for me, I quit. Don't do it. Don't. Don't do it. Let me tell you, now this might sound crazy, but it works. Okay. So, what I want you to do, if you're feeling like that, or if at any point on this journey you're feeling like this, not just weight loss, but life, I want you to go in the bathroom, and hopefully your bathroom has a mirror in it. Close the door. In other words, get by yourself. If it's a bedroom or wherever it is, someplace where you can actually be in there by yourself, and close the door. Look in the mirror. Look at that person. Nobody knows how they feel like you. So now, with you being armed with information, encourage that person. Michael Jackson called it the man in the mirror. And that's a whole nother story, but that was his cry for help. But anyway, I want you to encourage the man, the woman in the mirror, because, good morning, because only you know how it feels to feel like giving up, to feel like what you're going through, like the weight of the world is on your shoulders, or like you just can't do it. But you can, because you have, listen, if you're feeling like that, contact me. My email address, just Catherine, JUSTKATHRYN 78 at gmail.com. And I'll encourage you, because I'm going to tell you, change only comes with change. And you are the change. You make the change happen. So if you just quit and give up, isn't that something that you do every year? Has anything changed? This is 2022. This is the year of the change. A shift took place at the end of that, like right at that point of December 31st, 2021, and the midnight hour beginning January 1, 2022. There was a shift. Some of you felt it, some of you didn't, but there was a shift. This is the year. Ooh, so many great things can happen this year. But you hold the key. So, I'm going to tell you, you can do it. You have the resource, you have the strength, you have the fortitude, you have the inspiration to do it, okay? Don't let the the naysayers, the enemies, or the enemy trick you into thinking that you can't. It's too hard. I want to give up. Listen, some of you already heard my story. When I started this challenge, October 1, 5 days in, I joined a 21-day step challenge, which that was a God-ordained move there. And it was a 2-mile step challenge. You know, you walk for 2 miles a day. Whew. Wish I could insert a before picture right there. I got out there and I was doing good to walk a half a mile. It was hard, y'all. So listen, I know what it feels like. It was hard. And thank God for 310 community that helped me to get through it. But even more than that, thank God for God that helped me to get through that. I met so many wonderful people during that time on the 310 community, and just, you know, my family. But anyway, when I got out there and started walking, yeah, my body kicked back because it didn't want to. It hurt. My muscles, my legs, my thighs, my butt, my back, my body hurt. And I can't tell you how many mornings when I woke up to go out there and walk, my body was, I'm a Christian, I don't cuss, but my body was cussing me out. What you doing? Get back in that bed. What are you doing? Where are you going? But my mind and my heart was saying, do it, do it, do it. And I might get up and read a scripture to give me that push. You know, it's like I can feel the Lord pushing me, telling me, yes, you can. You're better than that. You can do this. You got this, girl. So I felt like the whole host of angels in heaven were cheering me on. So I would get out there and I would walk, and it was tough. It was tough. Then by the time we got to the end of the 21 days, I was doing 2 miles. Easy. So I'm telling you, don't give up. Yeah, a lot of times in life, things get tough, they get difficult. We hit a wall. But do we give up? So many do. But I'm telling you, don't. Because I'm your witness. I didn't give up. I kept going. And now I'm over 30 pounds down. And I am up to walking 4 to 5 miles every day. And I love it. You saw my walking companion in the beginning, Mr. Duck. I walk out here so much, he knows who I am now. So just want you to know, hang in there. You can do it. All right? I believe in you. You can do it. So let's do this. I'm on this journey, this weight loss journey to the end of 2022. But I know I'm going to hit it before the end. The whole thing is, what happens after a while, you realize it's a habit. I got to come out here and walk. I feel bad when I don't. All right, guys. I believe in you. You got this. Have a great day. Love you guys.